Good morning, everybody. It's going to be a busy day today. We've got trees to trim. We've got a spare tire to get on Little Rascal. So we need to get on our way. Let's tell you what's going on. Jack! Man, that dog. Oh boy. Let's take a morning voltage measurement. Make sure we're still good here. Man, that's beautiful. Man, that is beautiful. We've just not lost a bit of ground on here. All right, so when I went to get the new tires here, you can see the beautiful new Goodyears. Commercial tires, all weather, 16-inch jobs. Good date code. Make sure if you're buying tires, you get a decent date code, guys. They got tires out there that are 4, 5, 6 years old, that are already partially dry rotted, right? So I come back here, and well, the tire didn't quite fit the one that was in here. So what they offered to do was to go ahead and get me a decent tire that would fit in there real good, and they aren't going to charge me for it, which is pretty cool. So the other thing today is I've talked before about the overhanging trees over here, and I've got to get rid of some of that and get this squared away so that I'm not scraping the roof. I need to put that new vent cover on. So it's going to be a kind of a busy day. We're waiting for parts for the electrical system, at least for the converter, the battery, the automatic battery charger, as well as the switch box, the switching relay for the generator and the shore power. So I'm waiting for that to come in. As I told you guys, I definitely want to upgrade that. I don't want a 26-year-old unit in there that you can even hear it buzzing a little bit. So that should be here tomorrow. Should make for a productive weekend. And then the last thing we have to do is just get the back. I've ordered a new 100 amp hour, almost $200 for the coach for the house battery here. So that should be coming in the next few days too. I got that from Windy Nation. Had a real good price, and you know, you can buy cheap batteries, 30 amp hour, whatever. This 100 amp hour has 4 hours of you know, under really heavy load, 4 hours of draw. It's a good deep cycle battery, so it's an excellent battery for putting in for the house battery. I'm still debating whether to have an automatic generator start. The Onan used to sell one, Cummins, for these generators, but then they discontinued them at the end of last year. And what that was anytime your battery got down to say 10.2 volts, your battery system, the generator would automatically kick on and charge your battery, so you really didn't have to worry about monitoring and everything like that. So that's kind of that'd be kind of a cool thing to have. It's not absolutely mandatory, because I'm going to have a meter. I'm going to have a voltage meter, a volt meter built in for each one of the batteries that I can monitor. I'm going to make my own master panel for black tank monitor, for water, for propane, for all of that stuff. But that's not my highest priority right now. My highest priority is the electrical system, and being able to get on the road and go a couple places this fall. Okay, let's get on the road, guys. Let's go get some tires here, this spare tire. And it's a lot easier now getting this rig out. All we have to do is get the gate open here, close up, and roll out of here. So let me go ahead and do that. I love that, guys. This baby just starts right up. Real easy to pull out of here now. Real easy. No stress. No scraping the hell out of the rig. No matter how tightly people were parked out here on the street of Shattered Dreams, I've got no issue getting out at all. I like that. Really nice with that transmission conditioner in there. She's shifting so smooth now. Thank you, MX420 Kid Paul, for that hint. Also with the dog house on, it's so nice and quiet too in here. And I'm going to add some more of that fireproof foam down below here. See if I can get the sound down even more. So, it'd be nice to have a decent spare tire to go with these 4 beautiful new tires from Goodrich. Great time of year to have an RV too, fall time. I want to start off with that RV park where we stayed before, up there with Jason Brentwood up there. Take some stakes up and stay there. Good time, good test for overnighting, hookups and all that. Plus, I left my surge protector up there. He's been sitting on that for almost a year. And I left that plugged in when we left there. Alright guys, we'll see you over at the Tire Dicks, okay? We are at the Tire Dicks. Going to take care of that spare there for us. Good morning, Jeff. Not a bad tire, but it's just too big for some reason for that holder. Always good when you got the boss on the job. I gotta get that cover redone with Little Rascal painted on the back of it. Find a local artist to do that. That color is actually called maple. It's a park across the street. Jen and I do metal detecting. Aren't these crepe myrtles beautiful, those purples? Great little Mexican restaurant there. It's the ultimate visual oxymoron, a music studio in the same building as the tire shop, huh? Chevy doing a wheel alignment. Accomplished on that. There we go. Safety first. All right. 2,700 pounds per square inch pressure washer. And somebody left this by the side of the road. A nice score if we can get this going. It's missing, it's got the tips on it. Some of the chips, I guess that's what it is. If these things go on there. But, pretty nice, eh? Wonder if we can get it going. Can't worry about that now, guys. We got bigger fish to fry. I think it's missing the air intake, but that's okay. Air filter, I mean. Some of these are too thick. I'm going to have to get the ladder to try to. Right into the camera. Oh shit. Give you a better workout than the gym. Oh. Strong woman. That was a big one. Who's that woman of mystery helping out? No habla inglés. Okay. One of the locals I hired here to help out, so. All right. Está bien. Oh, time to bring out the heavy artillery. I tell you guys, nothing in the world like a sawzall. Woo! Looking pretty good, eh? I don't think anything's going to interfere with the coach coming in now. Now I'm just taking the opportunity to cut back around the orchard area a little bit because that's been blocking out some of the sun, which I don't want. I had to use the sawzall. over there, so little by little I'm just removing some of the branches here so I don't trip over them when I'm coming through. So here comes the boss for a little supervision here. What do you think, Missy Jen? We've opened that up a lot in there. In the orchard area. Get that crap off the building. Got a little more to do on that side and we'll call it. Whew. Give you a hell of a workout. Hello, Tylenol. Alright guys, that's gonna do it, and it was well, it wasn't the most interesting work today, but it had to be done. We got the spare tire for Little Rascal mounted, looking good, nice tire. We even found a pressure washer, 2700 psi pressure washer on the side of the road. Somebody dumped it out. We'll see if we can get that baby gone. It's missing a few parts. And most importantly of all, you can see a mountain of debris over here. We cleared all those overhead branches. Now we can put our vent on top and not have to worry about it being pulled off and any of the branches scratching the coach. Thanks for being along today, guys, and thank you, Missy Jen, for helping out. You guys have a wonderful day, and thumbs up are most appreciated. Mwah.